guys, today we're going to be drawing a wolf. So you may or not know, but I really like wolves. So let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper for this and some coloring crayons. So let's get started. Okay, ready? So here we go. I have my pen. We're going to get ready. So right now we're going to be drawing a really cool wolf. So I always use the ears first. I always do the ears first. So, come on. Sorry about that. I'm sorry if I'm doing sloppy work. It's just how I'm rolling today. Okay. Okay, so we have the ears. Then we're gonna go like this, then go like that, and go like this. See? Oops. Please don't mind that. I have this. This kind of sucks, you know, but it looks good. Like that. So then we're gonna make the eyes. Try to get them all exactly right. So I'm making it like this. See, then we're gonna make the nose. Like this. So see, we may make a cat, honestly, because it looks more like a cat than a wolf. Kind of messed up the nose. Okay, so let's go like this. Yeah, we're making a cat. Like this, see? So see, you can kind of see how good it looks. So like this. Okay, so like kind of make that angled. So if you have that, you're doing really good stuff. And kind of go like that and make like that. And then we're finally gonna make the head shape. See? So like this, we're going to make this angled like this. So we're going to go like this. kind of make this like this. Whoops. Yeah, try not to do that. And that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, so then we're gonna let that dry a little bit. Wait. Okay, so that's kind of dry, so we're gonna add a little pink nose. Okay? Pink nose? Yeah, pink nose. So it's really nice, see? And it's kind of cute. Well, it is cute anyways. Then we're gonna use red. And then we can write our name up here in cursive if you want. So like that. So we have our name. So we're gonna make our cat a brown cat, okay? So you just start filling it in. See, like this. So it's like that. And we're going to do the other side. So then we're just going to color it a little fast. We don't want to make it too long. So we're going to color it fast. Well, you can take your time at home, but I'm going to color it a little fast so I don't take too long for you guys. Because I don't want you guys to be like, oh, this is so boring. But also, while you're at it, can you please hit the like button and subscribe and comment below if it worked for you. Yeah, but it's really fun drawing for me, and it's like my favorite thing to do when I'm bored. So see, we're almost done. And by the way, I do not know what this song is called. So see how we're almost done. See? So we're done with that part. This is how the product's looking right now. We're gonna get a tan, right? And then we're gonna get this back, right? We're gonna make some things like this. So it makes it stand out and it looks cool. Then we're gonna highlight this dark black. So you see it. So we're doing the next side just like this. Like this, then we're gonna go like this. Like that. I'm adding a mustache. because I'm funny.